Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. In this one, we will be discussing about Pictory AI for YouTube videos. So let's just begin, and we're going to be learning how you can use it for YouTube videos. Okay, so first of all, you can see once you simply sign into your account or create your account, you are going to be getting this option of what do you want to use Pictory for. So select YouTube from here and start using Pictory. So now the interface is going to be according to your YouTube optimization. So you can see we have these options: text to video, URL to video, much more. So we're going to be using these in our videos. So also one thing that I would like to highlight here is that you can head over to the link in the description below to get 40% off on Pictory. So you can simply use the link and unlock even better features and get your YouTube monetized and make amazing YouTube videos. So you can see, let's just say you want to generate a video for your YouTube channel using text. You can simply head over to text to video, and in here you're going to be simply adding your idea. So let's just say you paste in here, let's just say you run a cafe roots and vegan coffee shop in Brooklyn and need a short video to help us show our new fall drinks and bring more foot traffic. So you can simply click on generate video, and your video is going to be generated once the loading screen is completed. So basically this is the process to generate your video, and over here you can see that our video is now generated. You can see we have multiple scenes at the bottom, and we can modify them according to our needs as well. So pretty easy to get started with.